We should never depend on someone else entirely for our happiness because it creates expectations and no one else can meet your expectations. Hi guys, my name is Roshali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that why we should never blame someone else for our sadness and expect other people to make us happy. Let's get into the video. See, firstly, every single individual see the life from their own eyes. Everyone have their own expectations, own emotions, own limits. Okay, everyone live their life the way they want to live. No one really want to live the life you want someone else to live. You see, if you want a person to make you happy constantly, that person can't do that for a very long period of time, like for a lifetime. No one can do that because it's their life too, and they can have different expectations from the life than you. So you can't blame that person for not making you happy. It's not someone else's responsibility to make you happy. It's your own responsibility to make yourself happy and not expect anyone else to make you happy because it's not their responsibility. Their responsibility is to make themselves happy. If you want to be happy, this is your responsibility to make yourself happy. We should be with people who we really love, who we really admire, and we should have a little bit of like some expectations, but not like if you make me happy, then I'll be happy. If you want me to be sad, I'll be sad. If you are not doing things the way I want, then I'll be sad. You can't do that. You can never pressurize someone to live their life the way you want. You can't do that. You can't control people the way you want for your own happiness. You can't be that much selfish. It's called selfish. And you really don't have to do that, because if you want a natural relationship, a loving relationship, a transparent relationship, then you have to let the other person live their own life the way they want to, and you can live the life that you really want, and you guys still can be together. There can be ups and downs, but it's not like that you have to do what I said. That's it. This is not how things work, because other person can have different expectations from life. They can have different desires, they can have different dreams. So you can't really can do that to someone ki you have to do that, otherwise I will sad, I won't feel happy. No, you can't do that. That means you are pressuring that person so hard to make you happy, and that person can really feel guilty for not making you happy because you are in a relationship. You see, so you really have to understand that the other person is also individual and they also living their own life, so they can really do what they want to do, what is making them happy. If I want to be happy, I should be the person who make myself happy, not the other person. If they want me to be happy, they will do some things to make me happy, but not, they should not change themselves entirely, and they should change their goals, change their dreams. No, it is their life too, and they can live the way they want. You can't make the other person feel guilty if they are not doing what you want them to do. You can't do that. If you are continuously telling your partner that it's your responsibility to make me happy, you are creating so much stress in the environment, so much stress in your relationship, because it is a very stressful responsibility. you know all the time the person will be think that how I now I have to do this, now I have to do that, otherwise like Vishali won't be happy anymore, and I have to keep her happy. These things can make your relationship so stressful instead of happy ever after. And your happiness will become unstable because you are totally depend on the other person. Your mood and everything is so much depend on the other person, that if that person is sad, you will feel sad. That person is happy, for no reason you are also happy. If that person is feeling stressed, you will also feel stressed, you see. But the relationship should be like, if the other person is feeling stress and having anxiety, you should be the one who comfort them. You should be the one who make them feel comfortable and tell them, no, that I am okay and I am here right for you. You shouldn't be like that, if you are anxious, I'm also anxious, now what we should do. No, a good relationship doesn't work like that. If your partner is happy, you should be happy in their happiness. But if your partner is feeling sad, you should be the one who make them feel comfortable, who, like, you listen to them. It should never be like that. The other person is sad, now I'm also sad, now what we do. No, relationship, a good healthy relationship doesn't work like that. And you will realize it time by time, when you are so much depend on the other person, on your partner, you somewhere lose yourself. You stop growing from inside. There is no self growth. You will feel like that, I am going nowhere in my life. By the time you when you depend on someone else, on like, this is the person who will make me happy, and this is the person who will do everything for me, it's their responsibility, I don't have to do anything here. That person is in guilt. It's they are where they are. But you will also be like, what I'm doing in my life, what is my goal in life, what, like, literally, what is your goal in life? If you are dependent on someone else, what is your goal in life? Always depend on the other person? This is all what you want to do? This is not a relationship should sound like. You should have the power to handle yourself. You should have the power to make yourself grow as a better person. You should have the power to make your relationship on a next level, as in a better way. You should have that power. And if you are continuously dependent on the other person, you will realize that I'm not growing. There is no self growth, not at all, because you are not doing anything for yourself. You are not doing anything to make yourself happy. You are not, like, making yourself happy. You are not coming out from the comfort zone. You are not facing any difficulties. There is no lesson that you learn. Then there is no growth, because you are so much dependent on the other person, and the other person is doing everything, and you are just sitting and so much dependent. Like, if you want me to sad, I will sad, I will be so sad. If you want me to be happy, I'll be happy, that's it. Then what is the meaning of life? If you are not learning, if you are not growing, if you don't face failure, if you have no dreams, no goals, then what is the meaning of life? What kind of life you are living? A healthy relationship means you both are taking care of each other and yourself also. You are taking care of each other well-being and yourself also. You are taking care of each other mental health and first yourself also. You are loving each other, but first yourself also. This is the meaning of real healthy relationship. You should always take care of yourself. If you are not taking care of yourself, if you are not able to take care of yourself, then how you will be able to take care of your partner? If they ever faced any problem in their life, then how will you be able to manage that situation if you are not capable enough to do anything? It is very simple. You should have the ability to do everything. It is a very cute and nice thing, like, to depend on your partner and maybe do this for me and do that for me and be the princess and be the prince. It is very cute, but at a certain level. You should never blame someone else for your, like, if you are sad, you can't blame your partner. You can't blame or pressurize that person for your happiness, because it is not their responsibility. If you are in a relationship, it can be somewhere, but first it's your responsibility to make yourself happy. If you are not able to make yourself happy, then how can you expect from the other person to make you happy? If you don't love yourself enough, how can you expect from the other person to love you? You should be the person who love yourself, take care of yourself, take care of your health, your mental health, your peace. You should be the person who takes one step forward to your dreams, and you should be the person of your happiness first. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye. Bye.